Good morning, children. So, in this video, we are going to see lesson number 8. It's a poem, Sham Ye Kishan. Sham means evening, Ye Kisan means as a farmer. The poet described the nature as a human being, as a farmer, the evening as a farmer. That is the meaning of the name of the lesson. So, let's see in the poem. In the poem, the poet compared the natural thing with man-made thing and other natural thing. So that is called simile in English. We will compare something with other thing. The face is like a moon. Face is not like a moon, but it's so bright as a moon. So like that, here the poet compared the natural things with man-made thing and other thing. So let's see in the poem. आकाश का साफा बांधकर सूरज की चिलम खींचता बैठा है पहाड़. बैठा है पहाड़. Pahad means mountain. The poet compared the mountain with farmer. Baita hai pahad. The mountain is sitting like a farmer. Akas ka safa bandkar. Akas means sky. Safa means turban. You can see on the head. The village people will wear and will tie on the head. आकाश का साफा बांधकर बैठा है. The mountain is sitting like a farmer wearing turban of the sky. सूरज की चिलम खींचता and the mountain is pulling the sun downwards. The portion of the sun is like a chilam. Chilam means the hookah contains fire and tobacco. In olden days, the people used to smoke with the vessel, a kind of long vessel like a jug. You can see, I'll show you. So this is called hookah. The olden days, the people used to smoke. Okay. So in this the top of the portion, they will keep fire and tobacco. So when they blow, it will be reddish. Okay, the fireball will be so reddish. So the sun also, the last portion of the sun also looks like the fireball. So that is called chilam. सूरज की चिलम खींचता. The mountain is pulling the चिलम of the sun. घुटनों पर पड़ी है नदी चादर सी. The river is flowing from the mountain, bottom of the mountain, from the mountain. It goes down from the top of the mountain to bottom of the mountain. It's so lengthy. So the poet is compared the river with coverlet. Nadi chadar si. The river is like a coverlet. Coverlet means we will use the cloth to cover the bed. So that is called a coverlet. घुटनों पर पड़ी है. The river is lying like a coverlet on the mountain. Gutno means kneel, but here bottom of the mountain. पास ही दहक रही है. नियर बाई दहक रही है. बर्निंग. पलाश के जंगल की अंगीठी. In forest there was a tree called palash. In that the red color flower will bloom. It looks like a fireball of the stove of the forest. Angiti means stove. When the stove is burning, the fireball, the charcoal will be like a red color fireball. The flower also is like a fireball of the stove. अंधकार दूर पूर्व में. So east direction, the darkness is spreading out far away. Dur means very far away. Opposite direction. सिमटा बैठा है भेड़ों के गले सा. There were the group of clouds. The group of clouds look like a flock of sheep. Like the flock of sheep shrunken sat down in the sky. भेड़ों के गले सा means flock of sheep. Okay. So next one, this is a time to homework. पहाड़ को किस रूप में दर्शाया गया है? Here given some MCQ. You should choose the correct option. पहाड़ means mountain. The mountain is compared with something. So like how किसान के रूप में like a farmer, एक बूढ़े के रूप में like a old man, एक आदमी के रूप में like a man, एक बच्चे के रूप में like a child. आकाश को किस रूप में दिखाया गया है? How does the sky compare? किसान के साफे के रूप में like a turban of the farmer. किसान के हल के रूप में like a plow of the sky, flow of the farmer. किसान के चिलम के रूप में like a hookah of the farmer. इनमें से कोई नहीं, none of these. पहाड़ के चरणों में बहती नदी किस रूप में दिखाई देती है? So how does the river compare? चादर के रूप में like a coverlet, साफे के रूप में like a turban, रूमाल के रूप में like a handkerchief. इनमें से कोई नहीं, none of these. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, जंगल में खिले पलाश के फूल कैसे प्रतीत होते हैं? How does the flower of the palash look like? जलती अंगीठी की भांति like a burning stove. खिले बगीचे की भांति like a blooming garden. सूर्य की लालिमा लिए like a reddish of सन. इनमें से कोई नहीं, none of this. अंधेरे की तुलना किससे की गई है? तुलना means comparing. How does the darkness compare? तुलना means compare, comparing. झुंडों में बैठी भेड़ों से with group of sheep. चिलम से with hookah. आग से with fire. सुलगती आग से like a burning fire. With burning fire. Okay. So please you choose the correct option and copy in classwork. That is your homework. Please understand the meaning of the poem well. If you have any doubt, ask me in live classes. धन्यवाद.